Printing black glue on circuit boards. Don't miss the perfect solution at the end of the video. We received an order that required special service. The customer requested that the circuit board be painted with black glue. It's just a vinyl record. JY certainly won it easily. We conduct a simple glue brushing test on the sample, but there are a lot of bubbles and texture. JY's technicians responded quickly and provided multiple solutions. We successfully removed the bubbles through the vacuum machine. The texture problem was also solved by airbrushing. Our samples were well received by customers who placed bulk orders with us. For the final batch order, we used a fully automatic glue spraying machine to save customers time, cost, and expenses. Choose JY. Our customers start with happiness. Become your best choice for one-stop service of circuit boards.